I'm getting close now to the real stuff. He would not pick us for nothing. I know there's a lot of naughty words he called us, from kuare tanga to oh boy. I've been listening to those talks from my daddy and my koro for years. I go, oh, you know, some were real rubbish. And I go, koro, you can't call us rubbish. He goes, I didn't, Dad did. He goes, yep, and those who eat with you will be spitting on you. And oh, brother. And I used to learn all those kupus, and I thought, I'm not going to use those kind of kupus. They're real. Those kupus are real blimmin', you know, put down stuff. Whakahihi, you call it. So I never use that stuff, but I am always reminded that if you're not feeding your sheep, then you're robbing your sheep. If you're not feeding them with good fruit from good soil, then you're feeding them poison.